The 2025 McLaren Artura is the perfect blend of cutting-edge hybrid technology, breathtaking performance, and McLaren's signature design philosophy. As a next-generation supercar, it pushes the boundaries of innovation while staying true to the brand's DNA of lightweight engineering and precision handling. Designed for both track enthusiasts and daily driving, the Artura brings a new era of electrified performance without compromising the thrill that McLaren is known for. Under the hood, the Artura is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 671 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. This power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, enabling seamless acceleration. The Artura rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds, with a top speed of 205 miles per hour. Thanks to McLaren's advanced carbon lightweight architecture (MCLA), the car maintains an impressive power-to-weight ratio, enhancing agility and responsiveness. Its proactive damping control suspension ensures a smooth ride, offering the perfect balance between comfort and track-ready stiffness. The exterior design of the Artura is a testament to McLaren's commitment to aerodynamics and elegance. Its sculpted bodywork, flowing lines, and aggressive stance make it an unmistakable presence on the road. The dihedral doors, a signature McLaren feature, open dramatically, revealing the car's lightweight yet rigid chassis. At the rear, a striking full-width LED light bar and active rear diffuser enhance both aesthetics and downforce. The car's air vents and sculpted intakes aren't just for show, they optimize airflow to improve cooling and efficiency. Inside, the Artura boasts a cockpit that blends luxury with functionality. The driver-centric cabin features premium Alcantara and carbon fiber, delivering a motorsport-inspired feel without sacrificing comfort. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, while the infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen offers seamless connectivity and navigation. The ergonomic seats provide excellent support for high-speed driving, while a minimalist center console ensures an uncluttered and modern aesthetic. McLaren has also taken efficiency seriously with the Artura. Its plug-in hybrid system allows for an electric-only range of up to 19 miles, making it practical for short commutes without using fuel. The regenerative braking system improves efficiency while maintaining McLaren's signature sharp braking response. By blending high-performance engineering with hybrid technology, the Artura proves that sustainability and speed can coexist, making it one of the most advanced supercars of its generation. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the Car Shed. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned, stay driven. See you soon.